Hey everyone, this is RISER's next-gen app offering its biggest update ever. So back in May of 2023, Cardo acquired a company called RISER, which is a navigation and community platform designed specifically for motorcycle riders, with a special focus on connecting riders from around the world and serving up some of the best routes possible. Following this joining of forces and an expanded development process executed by the team since then, we're jointly launching the RISER Next-Gen app. Now, this easily marks the most significant update in the platform's history, bringing with it new and improved free features, as well as some powerful additions and updates on the Pro version. With the free features of the RISER Next-Gen app, you're now able to make the most of the platform's navigation and route planning, with easy access to preview, share, download, and view all manners of it. These updates go even further in the Pro version, including sharing your routes outside of RISER, rewind functionality for improved 3D mapping, Pack Ride, which is unique to RISER and found only on this platform, along with additional flexibility and customization improvements. And know this, the RISER app is indeed now powered by Cardo, but users of the app can enjoy the full feature set regardless if you have a Cardo device, a communication device from a different brand, or maybe no communication device at all. It doesn't matter. That said, let me pass it over to my buddy and colleague, Dominik, the founder of RISER, who will show you everything you need to know about it.
Thanks, Mike, and hi everyone. My name is Dominik and I'm one of the founders of RISER. Today, I'm excited to announce that powered by Cardo, we have released our biggest update ever. Alongside huge improvements to existing features, we have also implemented some complete new functionality. But let me first start off with a short introduction into the app. So what is RISER? RISER is a platform built by bikers for bikers, bringing both community features and smart functions for riding all into one platform, making RISER your all-in-one companion on the road. On RISER, you can connect with like-minded riders and organize your own groups or plan joint ride-outs with just a few clicks. Connect and follow your friends and see where they have been on the road. And now, you are also able to create postings and share your moments with your friends and the community. When we jump on our bikes, it's not about getting fast from A to B. For us, it's about everything that happens in between. Therefore, we integrated motorcycle-specific navigation into the app. Our smart algorithms will find the most exciting routes based on curvature and other criteria, from your start to your destination. To make planning easier, we also introduced our complete new web route planner. Now you can plan your routes on your laptop or computer, save them, and they are automatically synced with the app. Or if you just want to get out for a spin, use the round trip functionality and RISER will calculate a route for you. Choose how long you want to be on the road and select the direction. The rest is up to us. On top, we added a feature that we are really proud of, real-time connected riding, or as we call it, Pack Ride. With Pack Ride, you can set up a group ride in seconds and your friends can join your pack with just a few clicks. Once it's activated, you get notified if one of your fellow riders falls behind, or you can send a message to everyone in a pack if you need to fuel up or just simply need a break. If you want to share your ride in real time with your friends, family or loved ones, activate live tracking. Any person with your live tracking link can see where you are and follow you along your ride. Your followers see statistics like distance driven, time spent on the bike, and even your battery status. Of course, trip recording is an essential part of RISER, and we are excited to introduce to you Rewind 2.0. With Rewind, you can relive your recorded trips on an interactive 3D map. You can play around with different angles, zoom levels, and even playback speed. You can also share your rewind outside the RISER platform with just a few clicks. To keep track of your statistics and see your progress during a season, we added season goal and achievements to the app. You can now set your own season goal by simply choosing the time frame, respective unit, and the mileage you want to reach. In the app, you can then see how far you are with your season goal. Alongside this, we also introduce achievements, from easy ones like collecting a certain amount of riding time, up to very ambitious tasks like collecting a total distance of the Chinese wall. Yes, we want to challenge you. Speaking of challenges, you can also join monthly or yearly challenges and compete against riders around the globe in different criteria and even get the opportunity to win awesome prizes. Alright, as you can see, we've put a lot of effort into this big release, and as you can imagine, powered by Cardo, this is just the beginning of a very exciting journey and lots of new features are about to come. And now back to Mike.
And there you have it. You can always check out our websites for more information. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.